First, open the Cutout.pro website. Select Passport Photo Maker on the product interface. Upload the pictures you need for your processing. Here are photo sizes for different countries to choose from. If we want to change the background color of the photo, we can click Continue. Select the paint bucket icon. There will be many colors to choose from. If there is no color you like, you can also customize the color you like. Click on the clothes icon and you can also choose a lot of decent clothes. After everything is selected, let's download the picture. We provide two formats for downloading pictures, JPG and PNG. You can also choose the quality of the output photo. It's done now. If you want to explore more detailed and interesting functions, you can download our Vivid ID app. Thanks for watching.